Namaste, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotech, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. In our session, we have talked about introduction of bioinformatics and the application of the bioinformatics. Here we discuss. With a large number of prokaryote eukaryotic genomes completely sequenced and more forthcoming access to the genomic information, the synthesizing it is for discovery new knowledge have become central theme for the modern biological research. Mining and genomic information required the uses of sophisticated computational tools. It therefore become imperative for the new generation of the biologists, initiate and the familiar with the field of study that is concentrated with the carefully storage organization and indexing of information. In order to tackle the new challenge in a genome era, information science has been applied to biology to produce a field in a called bioinformatics. It is concerned with the uh, state of the particular things. It will be therefore become it is a imperative data and it is concerned with the state of the art and computational tool available to the solve biological research problem. The term bioinformatics was coined by the Pauli and Van Hasper to the describe the study of informatics process in biotic system. And it found early use when the first biological sequence data began to the share. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that develops method and the software tools for understanding biological data. The development of bioinformatics as a field is a result of advance in both molecular biology and computer science over the past 30 to 40 years. As an interdisciplinary field of the science, bioinformatics combine biology, computer science, information engineering, mathematics, and statistics to analyze, interpret biological data. The key areas bioinformatics include biological database, sequencing, and alignment, gene promoter, prediction, molecular phylogenetic structure, bioinformatics, genome, and the proteomics. The difference between bioinformatics and the computational biology. Bioinformatics differ the related field known as a computational biology. Bioinformatics is limited to sequence, structural, functional analysis of the genome and their corresponding product, and it's often considered computational molecular biology. However, computational biology encompasses all biological areas that involve computational. While bioinformatics as a development and the application of computational tool is managing all kinds of biological data, whereas computational biology is more confined that the theoretical development of the algorithm used for bioinformatics. Now we have talked about the application of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics has not only become essential for the basic genomic and the molecular biology research, but is having a major impact on many areas of biotechnology and biomedical sciences. The main uses of bioinformatics includes bioinformatics plays a vital role in area of structural genome, functional genomic and nutritional genomic. It covers emerging scientific research and the exploration of proteomes from the overall level of intracellular protein composition, protein-protein structure, protein-protein integration, and unique activity patterns. Bioinformatics is used for transcriptome analysis where mRNA expression level can be determined. Bioinformatics is used to identify and structurally modify natural products to design a compound with the desired properties and the assesses is the therapeutic effect theoretically. Chemotherapeutics analysis includes analysis such as a similarity searching, clustering, QSAR modeling, virtual screening. Bioinformatics is a pay playing increasingly important role in almost all aspects of drug discovery and the drug development. Bioinformatics tools are very effective in production, analysis, and the interpretation of clinical and preclinical findings. Application on other fields. There are some major application in other fields, like for example, in molecular medicine, the human genome will have profound effect on the field of biomedical research and the clinical medicine. The completion of the human genome, the use of bioinformatics tools means that we can search for the gene directly associated with the different disease and begin to understand the molecular basis of these disease more clearly. The new knowledge of the molecular mechanism of disease will enable better treatment, cures, and evenly preventive tests to the development. Personalized medicines. Clinical medicines will become more personalized with the development of field of pharmacogenomics. This study is individual genetic interference affected the body response to the drug. Today, doctors have been used trial and error to find best drug to treat particular patients, and those with the same clinical symptoms can show a wide range response to the same treatment. In the future, doctor will be able to analyze a patient genetics profile and prescribe the best available drug therapy and doses from the beginning. Preventive medicine with the specific details of the genetic mechanism of disease being unraveled and the development of diagnostic tests to the measure a person susceptibility to different disease may become a distinct reality. In gene therapy, in the not too distant further, in the use of bioinformatics tools, the potential for using gene themselves to treat disease may become a reality. Gene therapy is an approach used to the treat, cure, or even preventive disease by the changing the expression of person's genes. Drug development. At present, all drug on the market target only about 500 proteins with an improvement understanding of disease mechanism and using computational tool to identify and validate new drugs targets more specific medicines that act on the causes, not merely the symptoms of the disease can be developed. These highly specific drugs promise to have fewer side effects than many of today's medicine. Microbial genome applications. The arrival of complete genome sequence and their potential to provide a greater insights into the microbial world. It is capacities could have broad and far-reaching implications for environment, health, energy, and industrial application. For those reasons, in 1994, the US Department of Energy initiated the MGP, which is Microbial Genome Project, to sequence genome of bacteria useful in energy production, environmental cleanup, industrial processing, and the toxic waste production. By studying the genetic material of these organisms, scientists can begin to understand these microbes at very fundamental level and isolated the gene that give them their unique ability to survive an extreme condition. Waste cleanup. Demonococcus reducens is known as a world toughest bacteria, and it is the most radiation resistant organism known. Scientists are interested in this organism because of this potential useful in a cleanup waste sites that contain radiation and the toxic chemicals. Climate change studies, increasing level of CO2 emission mainly through the expanding use of fossil fuel of energy, and thought of the contribution of global climate changes. Recently, the DOE, Department of Energy USA, launched a program to decrease atmosphere CO2 levels One method of doing so is study of genomic microbes that use carbon dioxide as their sole carbon sources. Alternatively, energy sources. Scientists are studying the genome microbes, chlorobium tapidum, which has the unusual capacity to generate energy from the light. In biotechnology, the Archaea, Archigonus fungidus, and the bacterium Thermogota martiema have potential to practical application in industry and government-funded environmental remediation. The microorganisms thrive in a water temperature above the boiling point and therefore maybe provide a Department of Defense and private companies with the heat stable enzyme suitable for the use in industrial processes. Other industries useful microbes including Corynebacterium glutamicum, which of the high industrial interest as used as a research object because it is used to the chemical industry, to the biotechnological production of amino acid lysine. The substances is involved as a source of protein in animal nutrition. Biotechnological produced lysine is added to feed concentration as a source of protein and is an alternative to the soya bean of meat and bone meal. Lactococcus lactis is one of the most important microorganisms involved in the dairy industries. Researchers anticipate the understanding the physiological and genetic make up to bacterium will be proved invaluable for the food manufacturing as well as pharmaceutical industries, which is exploring the capacity of lactase and serve as a vehicle to the delivering drug. And forensic analysis of the microorganism. Scientists use their genomic tools to help distinguish between the strain of Bacillus anthracis and used in summer of 2001 terrorist attack in Florida with that to close related anthrax strain. Antibiotic resistance. Scientists have been examined for the genome Enterococcus flagellus leading causes of bacterial infection among hospital patients. They have discovered an virulence region made up for number of antibiotics resistance gene that may be contribute to bacterium transformation from the harmless gut bacteria for the mimicking inventor. The discovery of region known as a pathogenicity in Iceland could provide useful marker for detecting pathogenic strain and help to establish control to prevent the spread of infection in the world. The reality of bioweapon creation. Scientists have recently built a virus, poliomyelitis, using entirely artificial means. They did it using genomic data available on internet and material from the mail order chemically supply. The researcher was financed by the US Department of Defense as part of the Bio Warfare Response Program to prove the world of reality in bioweapons. The researcher also hope their work will be discouraged officially from over our relaxation program for the immunization. This project has been made with very mixed feelings, evolutionary studies. The sequence of the genomics from the all three domains, life, eukaryotic bacteria and archaebacteria, means that the evolutionary studies can be performed in quest of determine the tree of life and last a universal common ancestor. Crop improvement, comparative genetics of the plant genome has shown the organization of their genes has remained more conserved over evasion, time that has been previously believed. The findings suggest that the information obtained from the model crop system can be used to suggest improvements to other fruit crops. At the present, the complete genomes of Arabidopsis thaliana and the Oryza sativa are available. Insect resistance, gene R Bacillus thuringiensis can be controlled. A number of serious pests have been successfully transferred to the cotton, maize, and the potatoes. The new availability of the plant to resist insect attack means then the amount of uh, insecticides being used can be reduced, and hence the nutritional quality of the crops is increased. Improved nutritional quality. Scientists have recently succeeded in transforming genes into the rice from increased level of vitamin A, iron, and micronutrients. This work could have profound impact in reducing occurrence of blindness and anemia caused by the deficiencies in vitamin A and iron respectively. Scientists have inserted a gene of yeast into the tomato, and the result is a plant whose fruits stay longer, or a wine has extended shelf life. Development of drought resistant varieties. Progress has been made in developing cereals varieties that have a greater tolerance for soil alkalinity, free ammonium, and iron toxicity. These varieties will help agriculture to succeed in poorer soil areas, thus adding more land, global production base. And researchers is also progress to produce crop varieties capable for tolerating reduced water condition. In veterinary sciences, sequencing project of many more farm animals, including cows, pigs, sheep, are now well underway in hope that better understanding of the biology. These organisms will have huge impact of improving the production of healthy and livestock of the ultimately have benefit for human nutrition. Analyzing and comparing of genetic material of different species and improvement method of the studying that function of gene and mechanism inherited disease and specific evolution. Bioinformatics tools can be used to make comparison between number of location and biochemical function and genes in different organisms. So this is all about our in the what is the bioinformatics and what are the application of bioinformatics includes. We have talked all these things in chapter, and in this session, and as an exam point of view, you have to know all areas of bioinformatics and when it will be first discovered. Thank you so much.